Roses are red, violets are blue. My hectic V8 turbo goes. But to get the all-important dose flutter, after you've had a bit of practice, you need to flap your tongue up and down to get it sounding like this. So it goes from this to this. There you go, that's how you do the all-important hectic dose whistle, like I did.